What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a video on how to optimize your PC for gaming. So I want you to tell you guys to go down and subscribe to my channel, hit the post notification, and please like this video. And I don't want to waste your time, so without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So guys, here is step one. Open File Explorer, look for this PC. I just don't want to waste your time, so I'm going so fast. Right click on this PC. Now look for properties and click on properties. After click on properties, go to advanced settings app, and then you want to click on advanced and go to settings. And now there are three options. That don't let Windows choose what's best for you. Choose the best performance, which is the third option, which is they're not beautiful graphics but good performance. Apply it and press OK. What this does is that it gives you the maximum performance your PC can have, but this is not the only thing that can give you the maximum performance, I mean. So this is the first step. Here's step two. I want you guys to go around down and type in Task Manager, which is the same as Ctrl Alt Tab, and here is a place I want you guys to take note. So maybe you might be playing a game like Minecraft, you can be playing Fortnite, but you might have opened some apps in the background like Photoshop, like, okay, now you guys can come to this starter place and just disable. Let me show you something. So if you disable an app, you have not deleted or done anything to it, you can just go and type it in and just open the app. That is how simple it is. It won't open when the PC begins, you have to go and open it yourself. But what I want you guys to take note of is that you guys have to close some apps you're not using to get the best of FPS. You have to do this yourself, and yeah, that's basically the only way to get the best FPS. Close all your background running apps to get the best FPS and recording or anything. So that's it for the recording for the Task Manager. Guys, here's step three. I want you guys to go and type run, which is the same as the Windows key and R, which are the same things. And I want you guys to go ahead and type in the bar percentage temp, TEMP percentage, and press OK. Now I want you guys to select all and delete all, because all these files are pure junk. You really don't need them. All they do is slow down your PC. So for example, if you're playing Minecraft and Minecraft crashes, wait, let's type run again, and now I want you guys to type in prefetch, PREFETCH. Okay, and you want to do the same thing you did to the temp, select all, and just delete them. All these files are junk. Let me explain to you how they happen. So you have to keep track of them every now and then, because every time a game crashes or you download a file, like the junk comes here, which is just waste of space and waste of memory. It will just slow down your PC for absolutely no reason. Guys, here's step 4. So I want you guys to go into the start menu and just type in system configurations, which is the same thing as msconfig if we're using start R. Some of you might understand that. I want you guys to look at this very carefully because it's something very effective. So I want you guys to go to boot, advanced options, and then change your processes. Put it on the highest. Like I use a dual core, so mine is 2, but if you use a quad core PC, yours should be 4. But for those who can't see this option, don't have access to this option, I want to show you guys something. So you guys have to go to normal boot, apply it, and restart your PC before you see that option and change it. But for those who don't have that, you can just keep it on startup, and that should be fine for you. Okay, so I think that should be it for msconfig, but your PC can overheat, so you have to be careful. Now here's step 5. What I want you guys to know is type services in Windows. Now look for system main. It's not literally spelled system main, it's SYS main. And now I want you guys to click on it, and what you want to do here is disable this app, because this app just takes your memory. It says it's for maintenance, so it just takes your memory, just takes everything on the PC. Like it doesn't care about anything, just takes your memory, your disk, and just slows down your PC. So I want you guys to disable this app and just stop it automatically and apply it and press OK. So thank you guys for watching this video, but I want to recommend that you guys should use a cooling pad after doing all these, because your PC might overheat. Don't put your PC somewhere that's too hot, also PC might overheat due to the configurations you have done to the PC. And from now you guys should experience good FPS. So thank you guys for watching once again. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Rich kids, she bout her business, I'm doing big shit. I never thought that I'd be fucking with a rich bitch. I never thought that I'd be fucking with a rich bitch. Yeah, I never thought that I'd be fucking with a rich bitch.